In this clip, we'll look at Fluent Design. Windows 8 introduced us to Metro Design, which had a flattened, tiled appearance that governed how apps, menus, and buttons would all look. That look and feel has evolved since then, and Fluent Design is the latest set of governing concepts that influence how apps will look and act in Windows 10. Apps and menus can be seen in Windows 10 with the Fall Creators Update that used the new acrylic material. Now this adds subtle texture and allows for changes to the way transparency is presented and how light is used. Depth and animations especially are affected. For example, if I open the People app, I can see the way my cursor position is accented using light as I navigate in the menu. Even if I just barely pass my cursor near items, you can see a visual response from the Reveal Highlight effect. Also, transparency is used behind the contacts here on the left. This effect is turned off if I select somewhere else and this app is no longer in focus. Now in some ways, for some of us, it reminds us of design elements introduced way back in Windows Vista with its arrow design elements that first gave us transparency. Some might recall that using arrow really put a strain on computers as they tried to keep up with all the eye candy. Fluent Design doesn't really have such a strong negative impact on performance, and Microsoft has indicated that some of these effects will be turned off when using more conservative power settings. Now these design elements are more than just aesthetics. They help produce smoother transitions when opening and closing items, which creates an overall more pleasing experience. And in mixed reality, they really serve an important role when your gaze is used to manipulate buttons or select items, and depth of field is much more important to the overall experience. Now Fluent Design implementation is by no means finished. The main point to know is that these elements are now part of the Windows 10 DNA, and designers can use these when they develop apps for Windows 10. Now that you have a little more idea of what to look for, you might notice Fluent Design elements all over in Windows 10, from the tabs in Edge, to the Calculator app, to the Start menu itself. Fluent Design will continue to be rolled out in Windows 10 by means of app updates and future feature updates. In this clip, we've looked at Fluent Design. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.